I've been exploring the Allstate app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Allstate app. Allstate's mobile app is designed to put your insurance and roadside needs right in your pocket. Instead of juggling different ways to access your policy, file claims, or get help, this app bundles those essentials together with some extra handy tools. It's mainly for Allstate customers who want a simple, quick way to manage their auto or home insurance on the go. When it comes to features, the app offers digital ID cards that you can even add to Apple Wallet or Google Wallet for easy access, whether you're online or offline. It includes Drivewise, Allstate's safe driving program that can help you save on insurance by tracking your driving habits. Filing claims is straightforward with quick photo claim, letting you upload photos of damage right from the app. You also get roadside assistance, a handy gas finder powered by Gas Buddy to track down the cheapest fuel, and a tool called Risk Factor that shows weather risks for your home like floods or wildfire. Plus, paying bills, checking coverage, and contacting your agent are all just a few taps away. The app was redesigned recently to be more user-friendly, with clearer navigation and upgraded messaging. From my personal experience, the app feels smooth and intuitive. Setting it up was quick since my policy details synced instantly. The digital ID card feature is super convenient. I never worry about carrying the physical card. I liked Drivewise because it made me more aware of safe driving habits, and the app's push notifications were timely. The gas finder saved me a few bucks during a recent road trip, which was a nice bonus. Sometimes the app can be a bit slow loading certain screens, especially on older phones, and I've noticed a slight delay in roadside assistance requests, but overall it worked as expected. On the downside, some users report occasional glitches or slower performance on Android devices. The app packs in a lot of features which can feel overwhelming at first, and not all features are useful for everyone. Also, the insurance savings from Drivewise depend on your driving, so it's not guaranteed. Customer support through the app is available but can take time to respond. All in all, the Allstate app is a solid, all-in-one tool for managing your insurance and related services conveniently. It's especially handy if you like having digital ID cards and want to keep an eye on safe driving. While not perfect, it strikes a good balance between functionality and ease of use, making it worthwhile if you're an Allstate policyholder. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.